This channel is called 10x Income with over 300k subscribers. He uses an AI animated character throughout his videos to make them absolutely engaging to the audience. Another similar channel, Digital Income Project, with over 148k subscribers, is also using a similar animated character. If you've noticed, both of these channels are getting thousands and millions of views. However, the truth is that these kinds of talking animation characters can only be created with After Effects video editing software. Not everyone has experience using the software. So in this video, I will show you how to create something similar using a 100% free AI tool, from designing the character to animating the character so that it can talk and everything in between. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. We're going to generate a character with CapCut. To download CapCut, all you need to do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for CapCut. Once you have it downloaded, you just need to open it up. Then you're going to search for text to image. This function is a lot like Midjourney, and you can use it to generate images of anything that you want. Here, I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use directly, but basically, I'm telling it what it should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me exactly what I'm looking for here. Next, we need to come over here and set the aspect ratio to whatever platform we're using. 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Make sure to ask it for 4 options, so we have some variability in what we choose. Click Generate. And just like that, CapCut has created 4 images for our text in less than 5 seconds. I already think that these are solid, but if we want to make more variations, we can click on Regenerate and it'll create 4 more, or you can edit your prompt if you feel like it's missing something. And you can do this as many times as you want. For example, I can ask it to change to a red hoodie. If you liked this specific style of just one image, then you can click Regenerate, and it'll give you back as many that are just like it as possible. This might end up taking a few tries for you to get perfect, but for this example, let's move forward with this one. When you click Download, you're going to notice that the image is super low in quality, and that's a problem. To clear this up, we can search for image upscaling, which is another feature of CapCut. Just go ahead and plug in your image, choose the 4K setting, and boom! Now we have a crystal clear image. Step 2. Modify the background with Adobe Firefly. First, create a new account and head to Generative Fill. Then, upload the image you want to modify. Now, you can use your imagination to remove or add anything you want to replace the cup. Simply click on the area you want to remove and type coffee cup. There are many options to choose from. Amazing, right? Let's erase this area. How about adding a green plant here? Look how it seamlessly integrates into the background. Now let's add a bookshelf to enhance the scene. Click on the empty area and type bookshelf. The AI will generate a bookshelf that blends in with the colors of the wall. Let's add some more elements to make it more interesting. Let's change the background of it and add a window. We also need a microphone. The green one looks great. What about a clock on the wall? There are many types of clocks that we can use. This one is great. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. If you are, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. Let's add a phone and an iPad to make it look more modern. Now we have completed the design of our character and background. To download this image and remove the watermark, you need to follow some steps. If you download it directly, you will get a watermark. To remove the watermark, you can use clipdrop.co and select Text Remover. Another option is to take a screenshot of the image, then save it and enhance it using ClipDrop. Next, we want to upscale our image with ClipDrop to achieve a higher quality. Step 3. Now we're going to animate the character with the mask. Animate our mask character, just go to Artflow AI on your browser. You're going to need to create a new account. Then just click on the Video Studio in the sidebar and open a new video. Here you can upload your image from the Upload section in the sidebar. Once it's uploaded, Artflow will detect its face, and it'll ask us to enable speaking animation. Just click here and then type whatever you want them to say in the box below. From there, you can choose an AI voice. Just plug in the script, and the AI will put it all together. Next, we're just going to click Export, and Artflow AI will make the video for us in a few minutes. Now again, When you export your video from Artflow, it is going to have one of those annoying watermarks. But don't worry, if you want to remove a watermark from a video, I also have a tool that can do that as well. It's called Media.io. On their homepage, you can just click on Video and then come to Watermark Remover. Once you've uploaded your video, it's really easy. All you need to do is highlight the watermark section. And they have this little green brush that you can select to move over objects. And boom, now we have a clean version of our masked character. So here's how the project turned out.
Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create something similar using a 100% free AI tool.
Isn't that amazing? You have learned how to create and animate your own AI character using free tools. With a little practice, you can make your own unique characters and videos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.